We're gonna change the air filter, the cabin air filter on the 2014 Dodge Journey. It's located behind the glove box. If you look right here, there's little buttons on the inside of the glove box that you push in. Okay, and the glove box comes down. Okay. Everything's gonna fall out like that. Okay, so got some papers in there. Back here, there's a little button right here. You're gonna push that. And the same thing on this side, little button. This cover's gonna come off. Okay, it's gonna go back on. See the arrow pointing down? So it's gonna go back on. Okay, cabin air filter is installed upside down. So that's how dirty it is. Very, very nasty. Okay, take that out. Sometimes you can clean them and just put them back, but that one needs to be replaced. So here's our new cabin air filter that we got on Amazon. The link will be in the description of the video. Okay, you can see. And you can see what I'll show you here in a second. They included these little arrows to help you down. Okay, airflow is going to go that way. It's going to come down from the top like this. Okay, so we're going to slide that in. Just like that. Push it to the back. Okay, it's in. Here's the cover. Push the cover in. Cover's on. Take the glove box. Push it in and go back in. Then you can shove all your junk back in the glove box. Thank you for watching.